Ipagpatawad mo aking kapangahasan. Binibini ko, sana'y maintindihan. Alam kong kailan lang tayo nagkatagpo, ngunit parang sa'yo ayaw nang lumayo. Ipagpatawad mo, ako may naguguluhan. Di ka masisi na ako ay pagtakhan. Di na dapat ako pagtiwalaan. Alam kong kailan lang tayo nagkatagpo, ngunit parang sa'yo ayaw nang lumayo. Ipagpatawad mo, minahal kita agad. Minahal kita agad. Minahal kita agad. Ipagpatawad mo. Minahal kita.
Pinapatawad ka na ng Diyos sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Someday you're gonna realize, one day you'll see this through my eyes. By then I won't even be there. I'll be happy somewhere, even if I can't. I know you don't really see my worth. You think you're the last guy on earth. Well, I've got news for you. I know I'm not that strong, but it won't take long. Won't take long. 'Cause someday someone's gonna love me the way I wanted you to need me. Someday someone's gonna take your place. One day I'll forget about you. You'll see I won't even miss you. Someday, someday. Right now
Leave Jesus in our hearts forever.